in some ways, I think, perhaps the most important part of the tutorial. It's working out what the problem is.
And I think for us, working with low-income kids from township areas, I think it's absolutely critical for them to have that ability. Looking at poverty alleviation, there are basically 3 phases to that. There's relief. You step in, you stop the bleeding, people drop off food parcels or whatever. You've got rehabilitation. That's when you sort of rebuild the pre-crisis conditions. And then you've got development. And it requires a lot more participation from the poor. The West tends to give relief funding, and in effect you actually exacerbate the problem because you do not allow people to step out of their situation by partaking in crafting the solution. So the whole idea, I think, of the tutorial method that says we need to raise up people so that they can partake in development work.
That's, I think, how I see the impact of a well-delivered tutorial system. It's about extending people's agency or capabilities through the ability to think critically and to expound what they think.
So they see themselves as possible agents for change who can make meaningful contributions to society from whatever perspective or background they come from.
It's the best way of learning by a country mile.